guys, Katie here. We are at our cabin in Ruidoso and I wanted to show you how to use the brand new hot tub. When you arrive, there will be a little keypad lock down here just to keep it safe and to give you access. We'll give you the code in an email. But you can just simply remove this cable and around back. And the top is really easy to get off. So you just remove these little latches. Back over here, you're going to lift it up and pull it all the way back. Then you're going to come back here and lift up on the back as well to get it out of the track. And then just simply use this bar here to pull it all the way back. Once you are out here in the front, you can turn on the hot tub. I'm going to come a little bit closer and show them. There are lights that you can see better at night. And then there are jets here. There's a low setting, a high, and you can control the temperature here. Whenever you're all done, just turn off the jets. It will periodically run to keep it hot enough, but right now we have it set pretty low, so it's nice and ready. In order to close the top, which you want to do after every time you use it, you just simply pull this up. Close it up. You might have to just move it around a little bit to get it down on the track. But it's really light. It's not hard to do. Very easy for one person. I say that. There we go. And all done. Just pull it out because it might freeze a little bit to the top. There's some water. But that's all you do. And then we have racks here, right here for your towels. There's also like a little table you can set drinks on. So definitely ready for you to come enjoy.